Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial is I am going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress so you can start dropshipping products easily. So the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Shopify dashboard. And then there guys, you need to go to the Shopify app store so you'll be able to see this one. That Shopify app store, you just need to tap on that one. And then of course guys, search for a dropshipping app like these. So here. That one guys. So this is the official AliExpress partner. And then there guys, you just need to click the add app. And then of course guys, you'll be able to see here the information or the description about this app. So there guys, you just need to install this one. And then once installed guys, you'll be able to see this one. And then once installed guys, you just need to open the app, and then there you will see an option to connect your AliExpress account, and then click connect to AliExpress and sign in with your AliExpress credentials. And after connecting, you can now browse AliExpress and import products directly into your Shopify store with one click. And that's it guys, your Shopify store is now connected to AliExpress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorials.